Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you 4 different basic eyeliner styles that you can do for different eye shapes, and I will also show you how to convert one eyeliner to another. So let's get started. Here I'm using Kryolan eyeliner brush and Inglot gel eyeliner and Inglot Duralin, and adding just a tiny bit of Inglot Duralin into my liner to soften it up. First, I am applying setting powder to set my concealer, and then I will go in with the eyeliner. So I am just gonna start off by making a simple line across my lid, and this is pretty much gonna be the basic line for all type of liners. Just hold the brush parallel to your lash line and draw out your eyeliner from inner corner to the outer corners. It's called an invisible eyeliner because it is so close to the lash line. So for the second style, I am just going to extend the line and making a small wing in the outer corner. I call it a baby wing eyeliner, and this is pretty much my everyday eyeliner. For the next style, just extend the wing further. And make the outer corner thicker for the cat eye. To make it more pointy, you can always clean it up later with concealer or makeup remover. So here I am making my eyeliner more thicker from my inner corners. I personally love this eyeliner look because it's really elongate the eyes. For the next style, I am converting this eyeliner into a double winged eyeliner. This is simply a continuation of the last one. All you have to do is just add another wing. Sorry guys, I totally forgot to apply a black eye pencil to complete this look in my waterline. So moving on to the next one. First, I am applying the same basic eyeliner. After applying basic eyeliner, you wanna check the angle first, and it should be at the end of your eyebrows and at the end of your lid. I am drawing the down line first so I can extend it from top. So now I am joining it to my lid liner and sharpening up the wing a little bit more. So this liner is called dramatic eyeliner. To give it a little more dramatic look, I am extending the line from my inner corner. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful as I tried to make it as simple as I can. And please subscribe to my channel if you like the video.